In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set background color here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. All we want to do is find the background. We have nothing on the canvas just here, so it's pretty easy, but we click onto the background, then we can come up to this little circle icon where it says background color. Now, if we click on there, we have lots of different options. Now, if you have colors in your document, it's going to pull them here, and we can choose any one of them. It's also going to pull colors from photos that you may have on the canvas as well. It's going to give us default colors and also gradient colors. Now, if we want to choose one of these gradients, we simply click onto that, and now that has been changed. Now we can also play around with the style of the gradient. So if we come up to here, click onto the little plus icon, we then have a few different options just here with styles. And if we click on this plus icon here, we can add a new hex code color just here, play around with this gradient color wheel bar just like that. And if there's a color that we don't want to use, if there's 3 of them, we can then simply click onto that color, click onto the X, and then it's gone just like that. Now, if we don't want a gradient, let's just choose a solid color. Let's go with this blue. We can also just click onto the plus icon, and then we can add our own hex code color just here, like we can with the gradient. Now, if you have a template like this, you're going to want to find that background. So we don't want to be clicking onto any of the elements just like this. We want to go directly to the background, and then we can choose that background color. Now for this example, let's go with a gradient, and let's go with this one just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to set a background color here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.